Yeah. Yup. He's hiding next to secret room. He's good. Inside the pyramid. He has this guy. This guy is this? It's not scary. No? This is a star. This guy is over the snow. He's sitting here the snow. He said, basahin mo. Ay, dun pala. Globe. Dito, may laba dito. Obi. Ito, this guy, naiwan yung mga kaibigan niya. Ano ka? Don't worry, if you can what us is perfectly. No, I'm not still done reading. Let's go back. No, let's go back. This guy, that guy's over the snow. Oh, you landed. I'm back. That guy is inside a pyramid. A pyramid is hot. What? That guy is down in the snow cave. From the snow cave. Okay, go to the snow cave. Snowy. Ay. Basahin mo. Snow Valley. Oh, it launched you to the air. But you and oh, it kind of looks like snow. I love snow. It kind of looks like Robot cat next to the I'm a strongest guy. Leading towards the pyramid. What's the dog? Oh my God, what's that? Langgam. My arm feels like shit. Oh, that's back. Laptop. Muna dito. Ultraman 1. Saan yun eh? Oo nga eh. Edit lang yun eh. Guys, secret. No, they're secret. They're strong. The backers. 99% destroyer na nag-teleport siya, sabi niya, once you teleport, kasi sinabi niya, capital quote, so, kasi, dati niya, normal skin siya bear, Totong brother, tapos ginawin niyo, scary monster. What good? Camera. Look. Look. Okay. I know that. Is that is what? I already know that. Oh, it's Pablo. She doesn't look like that. That's not true. That's not true. Forget to subscribe for a comment. We have another one. It's scarier and it's funnier. It's dumb. But it's following you. It's following you. But we slow down. This is a funny one. This is do not laugh. Oh my God, it says G. Sundan mo ako, guys. Sundan mo ako. Slow down. What to win first? What to win first? Let's see. What? I saw that. What happened? He said,
sinusupa nga daw nila yun ay inom-inuman sila. Ngayon,
kaya pala sumusunod tayo pag Halloween again. And cry. It's not following me. Talk to him again. I didn't see what you said. Basahin mo.
Tatlo pa rin daw yung kuya.
Thank you for saving me from the golden snake. Oh no, it's thank you for saving me. Maybe it's a poster. The bee queen is a poster. And the bird. Sundan na ako. Sundan ako si Sundan. Papaluin ko. Sundan mo ako. Ay,
Bago na. Bago naman nalalagay ko bago na tulog na lang.
I told that. I told that. He said, my secret. Oh, my outfit. My outfit is help me. I'm so sad. I can't. Help me. Help me. Help. No. No. I'm gonna pull you up.
Ilang taon ka na, Toy?
Oh,
Ilang taon ka na?
8.
Ang malaking tao.
I am 8 years old now. Bye-bye. Subscribe.
Pag naiisip ko, yung totoo